Hello guys, if you want to lower your car in Forza Horizon 6, then the main thing you want to do is install different suspension parts. So first, head into the garage, then go to upgrades and tuning, and after that open custom upgrades. Now from here, go into the platform and handling category. Inside this section, you should find springs and dampers, and this is usually the main upgrade that lets you lower the height of your car. Once you open it, you will notice that different suspension setups change the car height differently. At the bottom of the upgrade description, the game actually shows you whether the car becomes lower or higher after installing that part. For example, some spring and damper setups can make the car sit much lower, while rally suspension usually raises the car higher off the ground. Now besides suspension, there are also a couple of other upgrades that can slightly affect ride height as well. First, back out from here and go to tires and rims. Then under it, select tire compound. Sometimes certain tire compounds can lower the car a little bit too. For example, rally tires or off-road race tires can occasionally change the height of the car depending on the build. So if you want the car to sit as low as possible, it is worth experimenting with different combinations. And in some rare cases, certain body kits can also make the car appear lower. It does not happen on every vehicle, but there are definitely a few cars where the body kit changes the stance quite a bit. So overall, springs and dampers are the main way to lower your car, but tires and body kits can sometimes help as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.